Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass Real Estate up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 949 Alpenweg. So this one is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and just hitting the market for 1.065. So come check this one out. Okay, here we are from the street. So McAllister Road is right down here, maybe about like a quarter of a mile. So you're not getting any road noise from that. You've got Constellation right up here. Probably about 3-minute drive to the grocery stores, 5-minute drive if no one's out there to get to the ski slopes, and maybe about like 6-7 minutes to the village. To the lake, probably about maybe 4-minute drive. So really nice location because you can get through the back roads to get to the convention center, the ski slopes, the shopping areas. So many different options as far as ways to get out of here. So first, on the exterior, you've got this D-log siding. So really kind of nice cabin-like look. I love this covered entry right here too, which is nice for guests coming in, not having to get everything wet. Another good thing to notice is the driveway. You've kind of got like a little circular ability right here to park a lot of cars. So we are today looking at a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath. Here's their rental occupancy sign too. So maximum occupancy 10, which is 2 per bedroom plus 2. And then you've also got 5 cars. So coming in to the house, and I got this little entryway right here. Straight ahead is most of the house, bedrooms upstairs, living room, kitchen, dining room, game room down here. To the left we have the garage, and to the right we have the laundry room. So I'm gonna get started coming through this way first. So just a coat closet right here. The one thing to note is this laminate style flooring, really nice color, and a lot of wood features all throughout. So first, we're gonna go into this first downstairs bedroom. It's a king bed, so fits really good to the room. You've also got, even though you've got the ability to make it a 5th bedroom as well, but I won't get ahead of myself. So the very special thing, actually I'm not even going to tell you. I'm going to wait and see if you can guess what is so special about this house. So you have a master right here, and then you've got some updated quartz countertops, and almost all the bathrooms are updated. I think there might just be one, but really nice mountainy look to it. They have been renting this one for many years, probably. I want to say about like 8 years. This is one of the first houses I sold. And they have been renting it since the beginning. So from here, we just entered game room, kitchen, living room. But there's just a small closet right here, water heater. That is one thing that maybe I would upgrade is getting a tankless hot water heater. That is a big hot water heater for this size of a home, but the water can run out on renters when you have that many people renting. So here we have the game room, pool table. No great rental is complete without a game room. And this is nicely goes above that, having the TV and the fireplace, just extra features that you don't really have to have. There's some really nice TNG right here, and then you're gonna have access to the backyard. But I'm gonna take you out back later, and there's another way to access that too. So we walk through the game room, kind of nice that it's open to the kitchen. And some nice granite countertops and some bar top seating right here as well. I have a feeling their occupancy could probably be bigger with the latest ordinance change over in Big Bear Lake, because the square footage on this house is 3,500. So for fun, maybe let's do some math while we're walking around the home. I don't need to tell you that we're in the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Okay, so 3,500. Let's just round down to, because it's like 3,550. We're gonna round down to 3,400. So 3,400 divided by 2, I think that's about 16, 15. My brain is so slow this morning. 34, so divided by 200. I don't really know right now. I'm gonna keep quiet and still be thinking about it because I'm distracted because I just want to talk about all these things. So that's a neat clock I've never seen before. And then we also have a pantry. That is, and I'll come back to my math. 3,000 divided by 200. So here's the laundry room. It's nice because you can close it off from being able to make such a loud noise if people are sleeping in there, TV going on in there. But you do have a second water heater right here, not as big as that first one. So this one's probably going to be used just for the laundry in this room, maybe even the kitchen. But definitely something that you could change out but it looks newer too. So if it's not broken, don't fix it. Okay, so back to our math. 3,400 divided by 2 is 17. So your occupancy in Big Bear Lake should be 17. But for the adults, it's going to mean 2 people per bedroom plus 2. I wish I had a piece of paper for this, but that's 10. So you've got 10 people that could be adults to sleep in the house. The other 7 could be kids. So I would need to check on the occupancy of this house because I do think you could get more because the square footage is 3,550. So here we are, upstairs landing. So we have bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. Okay, so bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. We'll go into this one first. So kind of more for a kid's room, maybe 2 couples with small kid. You've got this bedroom. This one's actually got the nicest bathroom, I think. So again, same kind of granite or quartz countertops. I like this wood touch in between. But you do have this shower in here that is a dual shower. And then we've got toilet. And jacuzzi tub. A vacuum breaker. So it looks like here you can set and start the tub for however long. Whoa, I just turned it on. For however long you want it to be running. Alright, so next we're gonna go into bedroom number 3. And then again, you've got the same decor in here with the floors, the quartz, nice wood, and the same bathroom model. Alright, and then we have, right here we just have a hall closet. You do have central heating. Here is the central heater. Definitely looks newer. You've got the manual right beside it, which is somewhat of a good sign, but I do not know the age of it, so I will leave that up to the disclosures. It's a nice little area just for extra towels, games, you know, what have you, or nothing. Cute. Another little thing would be a cool, like, little game table here for the kids to play. But here's where you get a lot of occupancy too, is this big old kids room. So what's nice about this house is it's got closets, obviously, in every room that is a rental. Ooh. And then, like, look how big this room is. This is either, I think it looks like a king, it could be a cow king, but these are queen-sized bunks. So you can see how small they look inside this room. And I'm not even standing at the very back. So you could do a lot with this room. If you just wanted to, like, make a little kids kingdom up here, you could sleep everybody and be able to entertain them up here too. So it's another closet. And they have TVs in all these rooms too. So really large bathroom. But this is the only one that I mentioned that doesn't have it. So, back to, I told you there was a really cool thing about this house, and I don't know if you have figured it out yet, but I would tell you that all of the bedrooms are master bedrooms. So every single one has a bathroom attached to it, which is huge up here because that is a very, very rare thing to find. Next, take you into the garage. No, not much to see, but, you know, typical rental stuff. You gotta have it up to code and have it, have the handrail going down. This actually should be auto closing too, but that will get called out in inspection, but is an easy fix. So next, we're gonna go through the kitchen to the backyard. Got their signs for noise ordinance. Like, look how beautiful this tree is. Probably could use a little bit more cut out around it so that it can grow and it's not too tight. I've got a pretty private backyard. Nobody really on this side of you. So here is that access point right here into the game room. And so this one, we are just hitting the market for $1,065,000. And again, that's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and just under 3,600 square foot with a questionable occupancy, because I do believe you could get higher in here. So nothing much done in the backyard, but you could do some cool stuff. You've got a jacuzzi here. You could fence it a little bit more just to get more privacy from any neighbors. I would make like a really cool like outdoor fire pit, dining area back here. Probably will get worked over the years with snow, ice, anything to do with the winter. But there you have it. So again, over in Fox Farm area, the address is 939 Alpenweg. 4 bedroom, 4.5 bathrooms. This is a really cool feature too I missed. Little outdoor kitchen, like you can slide it through from the kitchen area. 4 bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3,558 square foot. Been a vacation rental for many, many years, has a big history of it. And really, I mean, if you wanted to, this could be a great primary home in a nice neighborhood if you've got a large family. Or you could just use it as a second home to gather for holidays, or keep on renting it. What a neat little area for firewood too. Nice brick. And then just a beautiful lofted, little cozy in this living room. All right, well, that is it. And if you want to come take a look at it, feel free to reach out or just drop me a message here. Talk to you soon. Bye.